The SPAA05-LOS is developed to align point-to-point backbone dishes in any weather condition. Normal operation uses two SPAA05-LOS tools and two PDAs with connection to one online database. The measured heading of each tool is streamed real-time to the database. Each PDA then calculates a target bearing and angle to the opposite site. In case only one SPAA05-LOS is available, you will still be able to align your antennas, using the offline function. Mounting is quick and easy. With the strap-on clamp you have your SPAA05-LOS up and running in no time. The elastic belt makes sure that the device will fit to any backbone dish antenna. The SPAA05-LOS is specifically designed to withstand foul weather. Since it uses GPS, it does not require a clear line of sight to the partner and works accurately at any distance. Programmer's software allows you to communicate between the SPAA05-LOS and your online database, keeping measurements up to date from every site you are working on. The measurements that are stored in the database can be accessed by every PDA, making sure that most recent data is always at hand. Why hold back on your customers? They deserve the accuracy the LOS can deliver. Give them the SPAA05-LOS.